Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to copy objects in AutoCAD. Copying objects is one of the most frequently used operations in AutoCAD because technical drafting often involves repeating geometry, layouts, symbols, or design components multiple times throughout a project. Instead of redrawing the same object repeatedly, AutoCAD allows you to duplicate geometry quickly and accurately while preserving the exact dimensions, properties, and positioning of the original object. The copy command duplicates selected objects without modifying the original geometry. Copying helps with reusing geometry, increasing drafting speed, maintaining accuracy, creating repeated layouts, and standardizing designs. Important clarification: unlike moving objects, copying leaves the original object in place while creating a duplicate elsewhere. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing containing the objects you want to duplicate. At the top interface, go to the Home toolbar. Click on Copy. What happens after clicking Copy? AutoCAD activates the Copy command and waits for object selection. Now select the drawing or objects you want to duplicate. What can be copied? You can copy lines, polylines, text, dimensions, blocks, and entire drawings or layouts. This confirms the selection and tells AutoCAD to proceed to the placement stage. Now specify the base point. What a base point actually is. The base point acts as the reference point AutoCAD uses during copying. The base point controls how the copied object is positioned and where the geometry attaches to your cursor. Example: if you choose the corner of a rectangle as the base point, that exact corner follows your cursor during placement. Move the cursor to wherever you want the copied object to appear. Then click to place it. What happens next? AutoCAD creates an exact duplicate of the original object. The copy geometry maintains same dimensions, same scale, same properties, same layers, and same appearance, unless edited afterward. Alternative method: you can also copy objects using Ctrl+C, then paste using Ctrl+V. When using keyboard shortcuts, AutoCAD copies objects to the clipboard first, then pastes them into the drawing. What you just did: you duplicated geometry, preserved the original objects, used reference-based positioning, and increased drafting efficiency. You reused existing geometry instead of redrawing objects manually. To summarize, copying objects in AutoCAD begins by opening AutoCAD and selecting the Copy tool from the Home toolbar. After selecting the drawing objects and pressing Enter, AutoCAD asks for a base point, which acts as the reference point for placement. Once the base point is specified, dragging the cursor to a new location and clicking places an exact duplicate of the original geometry, while keeping the original object unchanged. Alternatively, objects can also be copied using the Ctrl+C shortcut and pasting using the Ctrl+V. And that's how to copy objects in AutoCAD. The important thing to understand is that efficient CAD drafting is heavily based on reuse and precision. The more you learn to duplicate and manage geometry intelligently, the faster and cleaner your workflow becomes. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.